Now here's a question for you e-learning developers and instructional designers. Have you ever sent a finished project off to a client only to have them request a bunch of changes? Of course, that happens all the time, and the good news is there's a really fast way to make global changes to props. Hi there, it's Kimberly Go bringing you tips and tools to take interactive video to the next level. Let's jump right into today's tutorial. Let's say that after our client reviews the finished video, they request that we make the cross on the pharmacy sign red to match the cross on the medicine. It's easy to make that change in our 3-scene demo, but what if this video had 30 scenes? This is where Global Replace comes in handy. If you have a professional subscription to Vyond, you get access to advanced features like the contemporary characters and Global Replace. Simply select all the scenes by holding Shift and clicking the first and the last scene. Click this icon here and choose Asset View. Click the green cross, choose its color, click the red color found in the video, and instantly the cross changes to red throughout the video. You can see the result by clicking on Stage View and previewing the video. Global Replace can save you a huge amount of time, and it's one of the benefits of getting the professional plan. If you have only the Essential or the Premium plan, you can still change the color of most props, but you'll need to update them one scene at a time. Vyond offers a free 14-day trial so you can explore its features and see if it might be a good fit for you. I'll include a link in the show notes below. There are different subscription plans, Essential, Premium, and Professional, as well as monthly and annual pricing. If you're interested in any of these plans, click on the second link in the show notes below to get a 10% discount. Next in this Vyond tutorial series, I'll give you a few more ways to use props to enhance your digital storytelling skills. You can add speech bubbles, text, animals, objects, animation, and special effects. Hit subscribe and ring the notifications bell so you'll see these tutorials as soon as they're uploaded. And if you enjoyed this video, it would mean the world to me if you'd hit the like button to let me know. To see more amazing things that you can do with Vyond animation, check out this next video.